Yeah, man, that's just a small video of my little plantation. Look, see it there? Beautiful, beautiful banana. That's my wife banana. Beautiful sweet sap, plum, aloe vera, avocado, pear, breadfruit. See them there? Nice breadfruit, thyme. One more sweet sap here, so. Yeah, man, look. Beautiful potato. I reset my garden still, you see me? Yeah, man, nice. Beautiful potato. Yes, I put some dirt in it. Dirt to make it look nice. See scallion? Massive, massive scallion. Jamaican mint right here. Oh yeah. Nice scallion them. That's why I love Florida, you know. Nice, watch it. Huge. Just buy one tomato today, so I try it out still. Yeah man, see there? Pepper tree down there, so. Knees very tree. A big and very tree. Nice pepper tree. See them there? Beautiful. See there? Pepper nice. Ripe. Pan scallion there. Massive. Nice pepper tree again, see there? Sugar cane on there, so. Knees berry again. Yeah man, plantation look good. See sugar cane on there. Oh yeah. See it there? I'm a thing that turn up. Yeah man, in a typical Jamaican we love plant stuff, you know. See them there? Nice. Beautiful. Nice Scotch bonnet. Real Jamaican pepper, see it there? Alright. Out.